Today, will you go ahead and get a new instrument? I am going to play a tambourine. What instrument are you going to play? Great! Get that ready and put it down in front of you. And I'm going to grab some bugs. We're going to play a new game called It's My Turn. Now listen carefully. I am going to play this bug and this bug. You are going to play this bug and this bug. Okay, it's going to be a little tricky. Let's try it. Ready? Pick up your instrument. Remember, I'm going to play this bug and this bug. You are going to play this bug and this bug. Here we go. Butterfly, butterfly, beetle, beetle. How'd you do? Let's do it one more time. Ready? Here we go. Butterfly, butterfly, beetle, beetle. How did you do? Round of applause. Okay, let's try a couple more new bugs. Okay, go ahead and put your instrument down. And what bugs should I bring out this time? Ooh, I'll do caterpillar and grasshopper. Here's my caterpillar. Okay, ready? I'm going to play this bug and this bug, and you are going to play this bug and this bug. Pick up your instrument. Here we go. Caterpillar, caterpillar, grasshopper, yay! Let's do it one more time. Ready? You're doing good. Here we go. Caterpillar, caterpillar, grasshopper, round of applause. Very good. Let's do one more. Go ahead and put your instrument down. And I'm going to find some new bugs. Let's go. Beetle, beetle, bug, bug. Okay, ready? Pick up your instrument. Here we go. Beetle, bug, bug. Yay! Okay, let's try it one more time. Ready? Here we go. Beetle, beetle, bug. Yay! You did so good.